Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and subscription are active and that you're signed into the right Google account. This avoids permission errors. Next, make sure your device OS and the YouTube TV app are up to date, because outdated software often breaks playback. Once done, close the app fully and reboot the device, then power cycle your modem and router to clear network hiccups. These first actions remove the most common blockers so you can move on to targeted fixes. Now focus on network and app diagnostics so you know where the problem lies. Run a speed test and aim for at least 5 to 10 megabits per second per stream. If Wi-Fi is weak, try Ethernet to rule out wireless interference. Then clear the app cache or data, or reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Also check simultaneous stream limits on your plan and sign out other devices if needed. Doing these steps isolates whether the issue is bandwidth, device, or account related. For stubborn cases, change DNS to a reliable resolver like Google's 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or Cloudflare's 1, 1, 1, 1 to fix name resolution issues that block streaming. Make sure your device firmware is current. If not, update it and consider resetting app settings or testing YouTube TV on another device or browser. Finally, if nothing works, note any error codes and collect simple net.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.